But we have to believe that our government will give the positive
Yes,
impact
yes, yes.
for our transportation for the
Okay.
future. I think that's all, guys.
Back then, those are the preventive way, how not how to survive, yeah. But if you want to survive from the flood itself, make sure that you are listen to authorities. If they tell you to leave, then leave, and always head for high ground. That's it. Next, Fikri.
Okay. Well, what about you, Miss Husna? Do you have any tips when we want to survive in the emergency situation?
Do not give money. You see how you have a tip.
Yeah, because we know recently our saudara kita facing by earthquakes, and then to be honest, I've read some tips if there is, how to say, earthquake susulan. Yes, and
Upcoming earthquake.
yeah, yes, if there is, so we have to make a plan what we want to do if before an earthquake and during earthquake. So this is there are several tips, like we have to identify safe place in our home. Yes, and then find in our home that, how to say, like something that we need if there is a earthquake, and then protect our home.
Yes.
And then what we have to do if during earthquake is drop to the ground and drop your emergency kit. And then the second is get under your dining room or your table. And
Yes.
and if there is no table or desk, cover your face.
Yes.
And then the last tips is, hold on, just stay inside in your home.
Yes.
Yeah.
So don't be panic. The
Yeah. Actually, because our friends already explained about that, I just want to add the statement or explanation about it, around about emergency situation. For example, like earthquake. When you how to say, when you inside in the building, do not use the elevator.
oh yeah.
When emergency situation is happen, and also just using the train or manual train, how to say in English, something, yeah, emergency exit. And also do not panic, of course, and stay focused about that. And how to say, run as a fast. And after that, you need to call someone, whatever you want to call, someone that can help you. And after that, of course, if you call someone, of course, call others. I mean, like how to say, like police maybe, or basarnas or damkar, or whatever. Yeah, I think something like that. And of course, different natural disaster, different how to say, ways
Yes.
to how to face about the emergency situation. I think that's it.
Okay. Well, thank you, guys. You want to add
Yeah.
some
But
words?
I think in these situations right now, because we are in the new era, when we are in a disaster and when we call somebody to give us help, but there is no response, we can use social media.
Yeah.
Okay, to make a status that, please, I'm in a conquer, I am in a situation, I am SOS. It means that I really need a help. Please help me here.
Yes.
Okay.
That's the most popular way, maybe, that the people use right now. Okay. May you continue our conversation in the next session? We have to take a break for a while, so don't go anywhere.
Smart up your life.